This was an engine who ran away, just up and away, ran away, stacked up tender, and headed on the line.
Toot toot, farewell, goodbye. He overheard the wicked old diesel say he was heading for the scrapyard any day.
He didn't want to wait for the fateful day,
So the little old engine ran away. He huffed and he puffed, his wheels started turning. He chopped and he chopped his little firebox burning. He slipped his brake, let his whistle fly. Toot toot, farewell, goodbye. And the little old engine ran away. Stopped and ran away.
didn't do part of the railway.
So the little old engine ran away.
And thought, where cutie be, cutie go?
Some search high, the other search low.
Where did he roam, where did he roam?
Gotta bring the little engine home.
So they all went out to look around,
far and wide, and up and down.
No matter where they searched, no one seemed to know.
Oh, where did the little old engine go? Thomas finally tracked him down. He was cold and blue, and all alone.
Told him he was needed back urgently.
Who, me? Really? Yes, you silly engine.
'Cause he's the pilot of the railway. So he hopped and he puffed, his wheels started turning. He chopped and he chopped, the little firebox burning. He slipped his brake and he was on his way.
Toot toot,
Hip hip, hooray! Now the little old engine's heading home.
toot toot,
And choose little whistles blow.
now he's
Pride of the railway.